Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying model and firmware, because the Slim and E use different bays and transfer steps. Once done, power down and remove the hard drive or side panel per your model. This prevents damage. Make sure to backup saves and profile to the cloud or a USB device first, since moving storage can erase local data. Use a USB to SATA adapter to connect the SSD to your PC and prepare a FAT32 partition. That's required for the Xbox to read the disk. You now format and transfer the Xbox image onto the SSD. That's the core step. Connect the SSD to your computer and create a FAT32 partition sized like the original Xbox drive so the console recognizes it. Then clone the original drive or restore your backup image onto the new SSD, making sure system files and profile folders copy intact. Pay attention to partition ID and MBR versus GPT. Xbox 360 expects a classic layout. Once cloning completes, you finish by installing the SSD into the Xbox bay or caddy and reassembling the console, ensuring connectors are fully seated and any screws are snug. Power on and go to System Settings Storage to confirm the drive appears and capacity matches expectations. Sign in to verify your profile and saved games are accessible. If the console won't read the SSD, recheck cable seating and power, or reclone the image ensuring the FAT32 partition and MBR match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.